Okay, so does this decay occur? Charge-wise, we're good. We got -1 and -1 and 0, right? Whoops. Hello. Let's try it there. 0. Okay, so charge-wise, we're good. Electron number-wise, let's look at this. We've got no electron numbers because that's a muon. We've got +1. And then an anti-electron neutrino is -1. So this one's good, right? Okay. By the way, there are no tau numbers at all. Okay. And then let's see. As far as the mu numbers go, we've got +1 here and 0 and 0. So wah, wah, wah. Okay, so this definitely is violated. As far as mass energy goes, a muon is about 106 MeV. This is about 0.511 MeV, and so definitely we're not creating more rest mass, so we're good. Okay, but the mu number doesn't work, so it can't happen, never happens.